Good morning, students. I'll discuss now today index number, section C. Okay, section C I'll discuss now. Okay, now index number, that is you have to attempt any one, either section B or section C, your choice. Okay, now index number I'll teach today. Index number. Okay, now index number is the number we have to comparison between the price. Also, all of you know in everyday life we are facing various type of various type of articles also there, the prices, the essential commodities, everything. Okay, suppose today's price and the tomorrow's price may be different. Okay, this year price, now current year of 2020, and if we suppose 2015, before 5 years. Okay, so all it change, but otherwise 2025 maybe change. Okay, now so we have to compare the prices of any articles. Okay, that is current years and previous year, that is best price and current price, always. In this method is not there, index number. With the help of index number we have to compare. Okay, so index number is there, device of the comparison between the prices. Okay, now there are 4 methods are there. Look at here, index number, there are 4 methods. So write index number. First one is there, aggregate method and price relative methods. So first one is aggregate method, and second one price relative methods. Okay, here aggregate means here simple aggregate method, here weighted aggregate method. Okay, weighted aggregate method. Now here also simple price relative, that is simple price relative method, and this is weighted price relative method. Okay, so index number we have to construct with the help of 2 methods, aggregate method, price relative method, and aggregate method, simple aggregate, weighted aggregate. Similarly, price relative method, simple price relative, and weighted price relative methods. Okay, in weighted method, weight is given. Okay, weighted method is given. Suppose, so all of you know, suppose when we purchase rice, suppose if we compare, suppose 2 months. Okay, suppose 1 month 10 kilos, next month maybe 12 kilos, maybe 8 kilos, like that. Just always keep in mind, this is comparison is there. Okay, comparison between, and rice also, that is price also, maybe price, maybe interchange. Okay, maybe it will be interchange. Suppose today I am purchasing one thing, suppose rupees 50. Okay, so tomorrow maybe will be value will be increased or maybe decreased, like that. Okay, so always we have to compare base year, current year, basic price, current price. Basic price means previous price, and current price means whatever is going on. Okay, see, aggregate method, simple aggregate method. See, first one, simple aggregate method. Okay, simple aggregate method. Just write in items. Suppose A, B, C, D, 4 items there. So basic price, right? Basic price, that is base year. Sorry, right? Base year. Suppose year is given. Keep in mind. Suppose 2000. Suppose 15. You have consider. And everything in rupees. And current year. Current year in 2000, suppose 20. You can consider. Okay. Suppose item A on the base year in 2015. Suppose this pen. You have consider this one. The marker pen is there. Now each pen is there. Current year is there. Suppose here each pen rupees 25. So this is item A 25. So previous suppose here 15. Similar other things, suppose this is 10, this is 20, this is suppose 5, this is will be suppose this is suppose 20. D item is 10, so this is 30. Okay. Now this you have to consider. You write here P1, right? This will be P0. So first find out summation P0. P0 find out. Now this you have to add this method. Simple aggregate method. You have to add all. $40. Okay. And here is summation P1 5 95. Okay, so 95. So index number, right? Index number equal to summation P1 by summation P0 into 100. Summation P1 by summation P0 into 100. Okay. So base price always down. So write 95 into 100 by here is 40. Cancel 2 2 2 5. 47 by 2. Okay. Now 2 3 7.50. So this is the index number 237.50. So very easy method is there. Simple aggregate method. This is given, this also given, this also given in the question paper. So just given the base price is given, basic price also given. That is a current price. And here just remember that you add all. Summation P0 find out, summation P1 find out. So index number equal to summation P1 by summation P0 into 100. Okay, summation P1 by summation P0 into 100. Okay, and addition don't wrong. Okay, addition is the correct. Understood? All of you do addition correct. So calculator is used. So you are using the calculator. No problem is there. No mistakes. So agreeable with the marks. Okay. And suppose MCQ type is there. No. We will give suppose aggregate, simple aggregate method. For index number, formula is dash. Okay. Just like that. Just you write summation P1 by summation P0 into 100. Okay. So current price by basic current year price, base year price by this one. Okay. Now simple weighted aggregate method. So look at, just I am doing this part only. Look at here, weighted aggregate method. Weighted aggregate method. Okay. Now here weight is given. Weight is given. So look at here. If weight is there, here, now you have to consider this one. The value is there, rupees 50. Suppose per kilo, amount is 50. So you are saying, so 2 kilo, 3 kilo, 4 kilo is like that. Weight in kilogram. Consider, okay. Suppose 2, this is 3, 1, suppose 4. Okay, so W this one. Wait. Then you find out first P0 W. See, P0 into W find out first. So 15 into 2, 30. 10 into 3, also 30. 5 into 1, 5. 10 into 4, 40. Okay? And P1W also find out. P1W. Okay? P1 see here 25 into 2, 50. 20 into 3, 60. Okay? 20 into 1, 20. 30 into 4, 120. Now add here summation P0W by summation P1W, find out. See here 5, 105. Here is there 0, 250, 0, 6, 5, 4 years, 1 in 2. Okay, 250. So write index number equal to summation P1W by summation P0W into 100. Okay, P1W by P0W into 100. So P1W is there 250 by 105 into 100. Okay, now 5 to 1, 5, 20. So it will be here divided by 21. Okay, so with the help of calculator all you could do. Understood? With the help of calculator. Forty-two, 8, 0, 4, 3, 3 is there, that is 63, 70, also 3, point something. So here 233 point 63, 7, 3 approximate 23.3 also there. Okay, like that you do. So first find out, this is given, weight also given, just you have to do only P0W, okay, P1W multiply and add P0W summation P0W summation P1W. Okay, and the index number will be summation P1W by summation P0W into 100. Okay, with the help of calculator you can do. Now I am doing here again price relative method. See, price relative. price relative method. So similar way, just I will explain on this part. No calculator is there, so I will not calculate. Just I am explaining this part only. Okay, just I am explaining this part only. So here, first find out, that is relative, price relative. Okay, so here P1 by P0 into 100, find out first. See, this is P1, this is P0. So first P1 by P0 into 100. First find out. Look at here. So here 25 by 15 into 100. Okay. Similar way, 20 by 10 into 100. Find out. 20 by 5 into 100. Okay. 20 by 5 into 100. 30 by 10 into 100. So this is easy calculation. Here 300. Here 400. Here 200. Here 500 by 3. Okay, then 500 by 3 will be 500 by 3. 166.6. Okay, now all add. So summation P1 by P0 into 100. So it will be 300, 400, 700, 200, 900 and 166. So 966.6 summation P1 by P0 into 100. Okay, summation P1 by P0 into 100, it will be 966.6. Okay, 966.6. Now so index number write down. Index number equal to total sum, the summation P1 by P0 by 100, that is 966.6 divided by number of items. How many number? 1, 2 items, 4. So divide by 4. That is 2, 6, 4. Okay. 2.6 approximately. 241.6. Okay. Now listen one thing. If so this sum I am saying weighted price relative method. Weightage is given. That is weighted relative method. Okay, price relative method. Weightage given. Just now I am calculating this one. Look at that. Weight is given, only weight. See, I am writing that side. Okay. See. So weight is given. Suppose 2, 3, 1, 4. Then you have to multiply this part only. Okay. Suppose you have to consider this is suppose I, right? I. So I into I omega, so I W. So this is weight is given. So summation I W means this and this multiplied. Okay. So here thousands by 3. Here one column I am doing. See IW, okay? IW, say 100 by 3, here 3 into 200, 600, 1 into 400, this one 1200. So add, so this one will be 3 point something, okay? By 10, this one plus 3.3. So this will be 2533.3. This one, okay? Now it divide by IW is there, so index number right, index number, okay, equal to summation IW by total weight. 11 is there, so here 2533.3 by 11. With the help of calculator you can solve, okay? With the help of calculator, if weight is given, you divide by the weight. If weight is given, weight, otherwise you do like that. Okay, so all of you remember, there are 4 methods are there. First one, simple aggregate method. Second one, weighted aggregate method. And for price relative method is there, simple price relative and weighted price relative method is there. So very simple, all of you practice, and I will give the study material also, and whatever I give, just you have to practice at home. That's enough, no problem. Okay? Okay? Now, bye.